Today in this video, we'll see how to make a pen drive bootable for installing Windows 11 operating system. For that, go to the Google and click on that link. Download Windows 11. Then once you go inside, before we proceed, if you have a Windows 10 Pro or 10 and you want to install Windows 11, then you can go with this option. I have put a video link on the top. Just check that out. So now let's move to the content. So you have to check some criteria like 8 GB pen drive and 64-bit operating system. Once you met the criteria, then click on download now, and you have to install that as an administrator. So once you open the program, you have to be a patient. It will take few minutes. Click on accept. Then you have to see the options over here. Click on next and verify your pen drive. Then leave it for downloading and verifying it. So on the meantime, we'll see which bit operating system it is. So this is 64-bit operating system. And finally, your USB flash drive is ready. And then you can use it as to install the new operating system in the any laptop or desktop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also, if you need help in setting up the laptop to the home screen, then you can check out the video that I put on the top. Thank you for watching the video.